Doing?
We've decided that that little tappy toe dance she does with her hind feet is Addie speak for I want, now that we know her language.
Just you want to play again? Is it what we want?
Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you?
Oh, give me that. I need it. You want to play again? Is that what you're doing? I want?
When she wants num-nums, which is canned cat food, she tappy toes on the kitchen counter. When she wants to go outside, she tappy toes on the counter by the front door. And when she wants to play, she tappy toes in her box. She's finally taught us her language, or we finally learned it. This is just a short video to make an announcement. Since my very first videos, so many of you have told me that I should write a book. And, well, I finally listened. And while it's been interesting and a challenge and fun, and nerve-wracking, it is done and it's ready. I have self-published it on Amazon as a Kindle ebook. If you don't have a Kindle, you can still get the book.
I hit your head, I'm sorry.
Amazon has a Kindle app that is free to download. For the vision impaired, Brenda Stewart, I'm talking to you. The book is text-to-speech enabled, so you can have the pretty little robot voice read it to you if you'd like. And as a thank you to all of you kind, understanding, generous, wonderful people who have stuck by me through all the chaos of the past few years, all the ups and downs and the craziness that our life has become, I am offering the book for free on Christmas Day. So on December 25th, 2020, at 12 a.m. midnight until 11:59 p.m. on December 25th, 2020, the book will be free to download. These times are all Pacific Standard Time because that's how Amazon rolls. So that's what we're working with. I've already uploaded a video with all of the details and the link announcing the book that will go live Christmas Eve at 11:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. However, because I know Christmas Day is very busy for most people, I decided to do a pre-announcement for the book announcement. So keep an eye out for that, and since playing tired her out, we'll say take care and toodles now.